let's not force our splits like that. We got real stretches today so that we don't injure ourselves. All right, ready? So if you're gonna stretch, you're gonna have to warm up your body. So I do some handstands, but you should probably do some jumping jacks. Oh, nah, you're not giving up on me. Come on, we're gonna do this first stretch together. Let's go. You clicked on this video, you made it through the intro, and you want your middle splits. So we're gonna get our middle splits today. So this is gonna be your first stretch. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm sorry, bro, I don't know names, but from this pose, you're gonna go into a little side lunge like that, and you're gonna hold it. If you can hold your phone all day long on that TikTok, you can hold your lunge for at least 15 seconds. This is just your simple side lunge, nothing too crazy, nothing too advanced for you. No, I'm just kidding, sorry. And obviously you want to do both sides, so come on, stretch your other side. Always stretch both sides so you won't be crooked like your hairline. Anyways, so your lunge, make sure your knees are not too far forward. You want it to be parallel with your feet, or else you'll injure yourself, and you want your middle splits, not a medical bill. Let's go. Alright, good job, you're doing great. I'm so proud of you. You made it through a minute of the video. And then from your side lunges, just straighten your legs and touch your toes. Or if you're more advanced, touch the ground like what I'm doing right now. And it's perfectly fine if you can't do exactly what I'm doing. Just do as far as you can. You got this. Now from that pose, we're gonna go back to this pose in the beginning. You thought this was one and done? No, this is a committed relationship to stretching. So come on, let's go. We're gonna get all the angles here. Remember how you said you wanted to get your middle splits, your back bend, your handstand at the beginning of this year? Well, we're already halfway in. But at least you're watching this tutorial because you're trying to reach your goals now, and that's all that matters. Alright, next stretch we're gonna do, honestly I don't even know the names, but like you can see, amazing job. And guess what? We're gonna do the other side. Remember, if you want to get flexible, you have to stretch consistently every day. Just like how you eat that fast food consistently every day. Maybe that's why you're so big. I'm sorry. Anyways, back to stretching, okay. But you see how if you do something consistently every day, you see results, whether it be good or bad. So let's make the results good. Alright, next up is this pigeon stretch. You see, I know this name today. So the pigeon stretch. Make sure your hips are parallel. This is a really good stretch to get your middle splits and your front splits, so 2 in 1. Oh, you thought you were done? Stay in that pose and reach for the floor, just like how you reach for that Chick-fil-A bag every day. Hey, yo, what are you looking at? You already know you're gonna stretch your other side now. I always think to myself, oh, if I just started in the beginning of the year, I could have had my splits by now. Well, what are you gonna do? You're gonna keep thinking, or you're gonna keep stretching? I believe in you. Oh, no. You thought we were done? Stay in that pose and reach for the stars or the floor. You're doing an amazing job. You're already taking the first step, and you're like, you're actually watching a tutorial on how to get your splits. So you're doing really good. You should be proud of yourself for taking that first step. And from there, you're gonna go into your butterfly stretches. And it's perfectly fine if your knees can't go all the way to the floor. Just go as far as you can and start wiggling. And if you can't go all the way down yet, use your hands to try to push yourself down more. Here comes the best part. You're gonna lean forward, back straight, and you're gonna sniff them dogs. Yeah, you heard me. You're gonna try to get your nose to your feet. Remember to breathe while you stretch. Maybe not right now because your feet stink, but still, breathe. From the butterfly, you're gonna just reach over and touch your toes. And it's okay if you can't go all the way, just go as far as you can. You're doing great. You're halfway through the video. Whoa, look at all these angles I'm giving y'all. Ooh. We're getting closer and closer to our middle splits, so now we're gonna do a straddle. Make sure your knees are facing the ceiling so that you're parallel with your body and that you're squared. And if you can, put your elbows down for a deeper stretch, but if not, that's perfectly fine. Just put your hands up like that. Remember to breathe through the stretches. Now that your feet is in the way, you won't stink anymore. No, I'm just kidding. I'm so sorry. Anyways, Now stay in that straddle and reach for your toes. Make sure your hand, so my left hand, your left hand is over your legs. So your elbow is over your legs, so you get that deep thigh stretch. So you have one hand grabbing the leg and then you have the bottom hand over your feet so that you get that deep thigh stretch. I hope that makes sense. Alright, same thing for the other side. Remember, your bottom arm is going to be in front of your leg, so you get that deep side stretch. Alright guys, be honest, when's the last time you stretched? Comment that down right now. And don't worry, we don't judge. You're here stretching right now, so that's all that matters. You're gonna stay in that straddle and reach for your legs with both arms this time. Maybe you're wondering why I have that phone there. Well, that's my timer. Like, I can't count in my head, so I'm gonna have my phone count for me. You know, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm sorry. Anyways, I know you're trying to focus on stretching. Don't mind me. Alright, it's time for the other side. Damn, did you die from all that stretching? Nah, I'm just kidding. Lay on your back and then you're gonna put your legs like that. And then you're gonna use your arms to pull your knees into yourself, into your chest. Make sure your right leg is turned out so you get that good stretch. Alright, time for the other leg. Try to get your knees as close to your chest as possible. This is one of my favorite stretches to get your middle splits and your front splits. So 2 birds with 1 stone again. Alright, stay laying down and get your butt as close to the wall as possible, and we're gonna do this little stretch. And remember, keep your knees straight at all times or else you won't get the stretch. So keep your knees straight. And if you want, you can use your 2 hands to try to push yourself down even further. Okay, I want you to challenge yourself and try to close your legs or just your muscles. Yeah, just like that. No rolling over. Maybe you can't. I don't know. Alright, good job. Alright, now you're gonna attempt your middle splits. Come on, get up. You want to put your hands on the floor and try to slide into your middle split. If you know you can't go all the way down yet, put some pillows between your legs to help. Remember to always listen to your body, and if you feel any type of sharp pains, stop the stretch. Listen to your body. Stretching should never hurt. It should be uncomfortable, but if you're starting to feel some sharp pains, bro, come on now. I think you should stop. You're doing so good. We have 6 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, I'm just kidding. 0. Hey, congratulations. Now close your legs and do some little butterflies. Oh, nah, you thought we were done? Get up and we're doing rep 2. Come on. I know you still got some juice left in you, so let's go. Someone once said, if you think you can't do any more, do 1 more. Oh, and you thought this was a 10-minute tutorial? Well, it's 10 minutes because you're gonna restart the video and do all those stretches again. 2 reps. Now I'm being serious. Restart the video and let's do all those stretches all over again so you get that nice deep stretch. Come on now, 3 more seconds. You're supposed to be doing this with me. Let's go. It's a follow along tutorial. You're doing great. I'm proud of you. So you're actually not done yet. So the video said 10-minute follow along, so that was only 8 minutes. So what you want to do, you're supposed to do 2 reps of this. So basically, restart that video and do all those stretches again. I'm being serious. We only did 8 minutes of stretching. We're going to do 2 reps of that, so we'll make it 16 minutes. So how long does it take to get your middle splits? So for me, personally, it took 1. Not 1 week, not 1 day, not 1 month, 1 year. So yeah, it took 1 year of consistently stretching to even touch down into my middle splits. Like, it took 30 minutes of like warming up just to get into the splits. But now I can just slide into the split easily. No warm up at all. To be honest with you, stop asking how long it takes to get your middle splits. Just start stretching and then eventually you'll get it and then you'll have the answer. However long it takes for you to get it, that's your answer. And since you're already done warming up from this video, you should probably check out my front splits tutorial. So you can, you know, collect the splits, all the splits. I guess the infinity stones, you know, right split, left split, middle split. Alright, thanks for watching.